Resetting your Jeep Grand Cherokee's climate control system could be as simple as turning it off and back on again. But if that doesn't work, don't sweat it. Let's go over some potential problems and solutions if your Jeep is blowing hot air on a hot day. Jeep Grand Cherokee climate control problems are often caused by electrical issues. Luckily, resetting the electrical system is quick and easy. Press and hold the Browse Enter and Volume buttons on your dashboard until the display turns black, then powers back on. This will reset both the electrical system and the climate control system, which might be all you need to solve your sweaty situation. But if that doesn't work, the problem could be more serious. The blend door actuator, also known as the HVAC actuator, might be to blame. The actuator is a tiny motor that directs airflow into your Jeep's cabin. Repeated clicking sounds under your dashboard or one vent blowing cold air while the other blows hot air are signs of a malfunctioning actuator. However, if the air feels cool but the airflow seems weak, it's probably an issue with your cabin air filter. Dirt and engine debris will clog the filter over time and slow down the AC's ability to cool your Jeep. A worn-out blower motor could just as easily be the culprit. The blower motor powers the fan that pushes cold air into the cabin. If it's failing, you'll hear wheezing or clicking noises when you turn on the AC. But if the air conditioning is powered on and no air is coming through the vents at all, then your AC control module is probably bad. Because there are so many possible causes of climate control problems, it can be hard to pinpoint the source. If you have an OBD scanner on hand, you can get a trouble code to help narrow it down. Either way, your best bet is to take your Jeep to a mechanic who is certified to service HVAC systems. They will be able to accurately diagnose the issue and tell you how much repairs might cost. To learn more about Jeeps, including how to save money on your Jeep car insurance, go to getjerry.com.